Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. Today we are going to draw a cute bunny. At first, I draw a shape of her head. I draw her eyes. Then I draw her little nose and her eyelash. I draw her mouth. Then I draw a circle for her cheek. I draw her long ears. Then I draw her whiskers. I draw her body. I draw her foot and her tail. I draw her arms and her patches around, and a little bow tie. Then I'm going to draw the carrot. Let's coloring bunny eyes with black color. Pink color.
What do you see? Carrots and clover just for me. The sun begins to set. Back to your cozy burrow get. Sleepy eyes and tired feet. Fluffy dreams so soft and sweet. Hop, 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 you jump so high. Little white tail against the sky. Bunny, bunny, what do you see? Carrots and clover just for me. When the moon shines silver bright, you peek out and wish the world good night.
Red color. White color. Orange color. Green color. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
When the sand stayed fish, hopping round without